Kinongelam ka All India Banking Employees Association AIBEA menta kasngi kila penlong ka jingalang yamir jingmut kabakerpang na kabenta ki dekhot jongka ki badang surung kam haki bang haki ki khandiat snem kajing thmu bakong san jongani ka jingalang kalong ban hikai ban penshai ban batai sani bhai ki jingtre jongkani ka association kabalaya dai kalawe jongki nong tre bank na ka jingshim kabu ba jing pentre kam do yap jongki nong penya jongki bang ba pher Kinongelam barang ba ki bakentub uprana bata chaji president ba Edward Lenshing working president ba Umano Chakravorty general secretary kila batai ha kinong tre ki badang shurung kam dangshen ya ki mati ba kinongelam ka AIBEA kala len lade banya da ya ki para nong tre ha ki nyopum rius nam balala kila batai bar hikai kini kinong tre ba ki de ban geng scam ha kinong tre kam jongka AIBEA Hakinong rem trekam jongka AIBEA kata kalong banyada bat kentie yala ki para nong trei habaro kiliang. Kajing temu jongka AIBEA kalong banyada ki pat ba baduk hakari lengba ki jing syakri ba hok pat ba shida na ki bank amban syakri tangi kinong khai he spa niki company he by seng.
Today's program we meant only for the young generation because today if you see in the banking industry almost 65% workforce are from young generation. That's why we have, as per AIB's directives also, we used to concentrate our young generation people to the trade union movement. What is about their rights? Why we will fight? Why we go for strike? Because our history of struggle and sacrifices, and today we are in a good position because of our struggles. So attacks are also coming. So we have to change this scenario so that if anything happens, our young folks can take back all those fight. We are fighting this one also. We want that credit flow should go to the downtrodden people. Credit flow should go to the farmers, to the students, to the needy. And if we do in that way, only nationalized banks and cooperative banks that they can do. It is not the private banks. The new generation private banks that are only for the elite class. We have transformed the banking from class banking to mass banking. It was a class banking, then we have changed it to mass banking. We are fighting that privatization. Today almost 3 decades have passed. We are fighting and fighting. And we are fighting the merger of the banks also. When merger of the banks come, what will it affect? The general people, they thought that bank it will be good. But for the general people, I can tell that banks, branches will be closed down. Many bank branches has been closed down and many rural bank branches has been closed down. So there will be an ill effect in the banking service also. For that reason, we are fighting. Privatization means, so you have rightly said, we are the custodian of the people's money. That's why our association has given a slogan that the people's money for people's welfare, not for corporate